All right, I'm taking y'all to the other aspect of it, the inside. That's where I was earlier, in that hatch right there. What's up? And this is the x-ray. You got these people doing the x-ray, making sure nobody bringing no weapons on the board. I mean on board. Oh, it's a mess. This is a mess. They don't even have cages for y'all. I said they don't even have cages for y'all. Yeah, but it's supposed to be on both sides. Oh, y'all not working this belt yet?
No, we working both of them, but they didn't move their shifts like that.
Oh. I tell this gonna be an all-night operation, all-day operation. What's up, baby?
What's going on?
Good, good. Yeah, this is the x-ray part. All longshoremen, all longshoremen. And then you got this part, which should be the people that's getting the bags from you as you are parking your car. They're grabbing your bags and taking it to the x-ray. That'll be people with the blue vests. I don't see them out here right now. It's a slow moving operation, but we out here at the curbside grabbing your bags and putting them in there at the x-ray. So it's a lot of aspects here of the longshoreman jobs. Hey Meta. Hey Meta.